Hello, so we are team CDC Sterling. Just to introduce what we're discussing today, the main topic here is financial inclusion. So why is financial inclusion important? The World Bank Group considers financial inclusion a key enabler to reduce extreme poverty and boost shared prosperity. Financial inclusion has been identified as an enabler for 7 out of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, and the G20 is committed to advance financial inclusion worldwide and reaffirmed its commitment to implement the G20 high-level principles of digital financial inclusion. Okay, so as you can see by this graph, there are outstanding levels of poverty within the UK, mainly ranging within London, Inner London and Greater London. So how do we increase digital financial inclusion for the future? We're going to do that by using central bank digital currencies, which is a new tool in the financial inclusion. So for short, a CBDC is basically an electronic form of central bank money that could be used by households and businesses to make payments. There are also unbanked alternative pathways to open transactional accounts and participate in the digital economy. A CBDC could present a number of opportunities for the way that the bank achieves its objectives of maintaining monetary and financial stability. So just to give you a diagram, just to make it more clear, as you can see, we are in this pyramid, the payment interface providers, okay? Now, this slide, as you can see, we can see just some of our designs for the application. We've gone for a more modern look. As you can see, it's got different functionalities such as a wallet, homepage, vouchers, which we'll go on to speak about, applications for converting currency and savings. So we're just going to talk about some of our ideas here. So we split it into 2 categories. We've got specifically for low income, and we've also spoken about general population. So as you can see here, one of the options is a benefit system, which basically offers redeemable vouchers and discounts for lower income people. Now, obviously, we don't want people to take advantage of this. So what we've done is we're specializing it towards certain items. So for example, educational books or food or household necessities. The second idea that we have is along the lines of having higher interest rates for lower income individuals. Now, obviously, this will be on a sliding scale. This is just to encourage people to make smarter financial decisions and maybe look into savings. Now, in terms of the general population, because obviously this is for everybody, one of the ideas we've created is basically 0 transaction fees for sending money. Another one is different functionality for different age groups. Now, obviously, it's not just going to be adults that are going to be joining this. Now, because we are aware of that, we know that we don't want people of a certain age taking out credit cards, things like that. So we will limit functionality depending on age. Another implementation we've made is a panic alarm. What basically that does is when, let's say, someone is being assaulted or someone is trying to get robbed, someone is being robbed, it basically locks the screen. So the person's not able to make payments from that, and it actually alarms the police of your location. That way, just to encourage people to use it if they're worried about, security purposes. But other than that, I hope you've enjoyed our presentation.